The new functional material spray casting, in-place pipe rehabilitation technology utilizes new functional materials and intelligent construction robots to perform trenchless rehabilitation on underground, pipelines, square culverts, box culverts, inspection chambers, and other facilities. Depending on specific working conditions, new functional materials of varying thicknesses are sprayed to achieve functional, semi-structural, or structural rehabilitation of the original pipeline. The new functional repair material possesses properties such as high temperature resistance, corrosion resistance, and negative pressure resistance, and has passed National Drinking Water Safety Certification. It can be used for water supply pipelines, drainage pipelines, thermal pipelines, petrochemical pipelines, etc. Through internal pressure burst test, hydrostatic pressure, a liner thickness of approximately 7.5 mm, internal pressure burst tests were conducted on holes of 35 mm, 50 mm, and 100 mm diameter at 1.4 megapascals. No failure was observed in any test. External pressure test. A DN 600 concrete base pipe was used. A 50 mm diameter circular hole was made at the top of the original base material. PP 300 material was sprayed internally to a thickness of 8 mm. An external water pressure device was connected to the hole. Water was pumped into the small hole using a manual pressure test pump, while continuously increasing pressure and observing the parameters on the top pressure gauge. At 0.34 megapascals, pressure equivalent to 34 meters of groundwater pressure, the coating at the 50 mm hole location still showed no failure. Pull-off test. Adhesion. For a liner thickness of approx. 5 mm, adhered to concrete block, approx. 2.92 megapascals, the concrete block detached, but no separation occurred between the liner material and the concrete block. For a liner thickness of approx. 5 mm, adhered to metal material, approx. 10.94 megapascals, separation occurred between the liner material and the metal material. Flexural strength and flexural modulus test. Tested on a universal testing machine, the liner material achieved a flexural modulus of 4,139.5 megapascals and a flexural strength of 72.1 megapascals. Flexural strength and elongation at break. Under the testing of the universal testing machine, the flexural strength of the inner lining material is 71.3 megapascals, and the elongation at break is 3%.